Nanbabo Kabalen, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, and nandito tayo sa Clark to visit itong bagong restaurant, K-Grill 260.
So yun guys, if you're looking for a premium Korean experience, I think isa-serve nila sa atin dito is one of the rarest food.
It is the dried aged yellow corvina.
So guys, we want to show you more about this place, also the food. If you want to know more, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so we are actually dito sa second floor, and basing on my observation, so meron siyang mga iba-ibang partitioned rooms or section. So each section has a table and chairs fit up until siguro mga 8 to 10. So dito sa second floor, they have like 4 rooms that are similar. And then lastly, dito rin sa second floor, this one. Look at this. I think this is a very chic place, no? Napaka-comfortable and napaka-trendy nung design ng dining area na to. Although this first floor, you can still, do your thing, order the food. But I think for me, if you wanna go here, go to the second floor. Yep, go to the second floor. Alright, so that's it guys. So once again, thank you so much for being with us. And once again, thank you so much K-Grill 260 for inviting us. So speaking of food, let me just inform you guys na hindi po ito yung unlimited samgyeopsal na alam natin. Although meron silang set menu and meron din sa mga a la carte. Okay, let's talk about the set menu, bro.
Yes, for our set menu, ito yung isa sa mga interesting part natin. Yung kanilang burigolbi set. So yung burigolbi, it is the barley aged dried yellow corvina.
Which is this one?
Which is yung fish natin. And sige,
trivia.
A little bit of trivia.
A little bit of trivia.
So, this fish is nakukuha lang siya sa mga malalamig na lugar. And the way they age it, they buried it in a snow or sa mga cold place. And this is good source of protein, vitamin A, D, which is improve our stamina.
Good for stamina. So sa lahat ng mga nagbabalak dyan for Valentine's Day and you're looking for stamina, ito yun. You gotta have this one. So anong kasama dun sa set natin?
For the set A naman, they have syempre yung kanilang yellow corvina. Meron tayong bulgogi, sundubu jjigae, and yung kanilang steamed egg.
Yun is good for 2 person. So good for date?
Yes, good for date. This is only for 1,100.
Yes.
And may kasama na rin siyang rice.
So available din dito sa mga a la carte na pin-prepare nila is yung cheese tonkatsu. So this is not your typical tonkatsu. Tayo dito ang egg roll, which is yung egg roll natin. It's humongous, bro.
Siguro kahit 5 to 6 packs,
I think so.
Kaya niyang
let's try it. Ito, guys.
Pakainin.
Ayan, let me just show it to you. Ito.
This one.
So in it, meron pa siyang cheese.
Yes. This they call chisiwang Geran Marie.
Geran Marie.
Yeah, Geran Marie. Yan.
Wow.
Cheesy.
Yes. So in terms of the taste, yung initial na dampi niya sa dila natin is a little bit sweet, no? But as soon as you bite it, medyo magiging umami and then cheesy.
Actually, yung cheese niya is, since mainit-init pa siya, nagme-melt yung cheese niya.
Oh, wow.
So ito naman yung kanilang kakdugi kimchi fried rice. Partner natin siya dito sa may super crispy pork belly.
That was a superb experience. I think for the food, I wanna commend them.
Yes, at the same time, yung mga dishes nila dito are something new to us. Lalong-lalo na yung yellow corvina.
Exactly.
Which is the good source of stamina.
Stamina.
Yes. So, K-Grill 260 is located dito sa may E.Jacinto Street, Clarkfield, Pampanga. So, pinaka-landmark lang niya, malapit siya sa parking ng CDC
Parade Ground.
Yes,
Correct.
and they are open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
So you guys, if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.